This map that we are looking at is of the North Pole. It was made by Urbano, Monte, or Monte. You can see here Greenland. You can see this area. We have Norway. We have Sweden, which is correct. It matches what we see in our current maps. We see here Iceland, and then we go here to an area. He has written the glacier, the sea of ice, right? He's letting us know that there's a lot of ice here. A lot of ice. It almost looks like a barrier. It looks like that's all you're gonna find, ice. Here it tells you that the sea is very, it has strong currents, very difficult to navigate the ship there. And then finally you get to these land masses. Here he says that there are some pygmies that live here. He says that, well, he describes the places, and there appears to be a river. Urbano Monte is not the only one who has put together maps of the polar region. A few videos back we looked at how the world investigated the North for about 70 years, and they used 4 million pounds to carry out about 17 expeditions. If the kings financing these expeditions would have only found ice, well, that wouldn't have been so smart, right? Why would you be going for 70 years to an area that it only contains ice, right? Now, I mean, why would they lie, right? Well, we know our current economic system is based on profits. Some people add water or chemicals to the chicken so it weighs more, and then they can charge more per pound. Other people, they pretend they sell you meat, but in reality it's just chemicals put together, and it's cheaper. It looks like meat, it tastes like meat, but it's not meat. So what's the point of hiding land, North Pole? Well, I won't know all the answers, but what I can say is that there's been a lot of cartographers that depicted the world as it is now, and that depicted that there were land masses after you pass the ice, right here, past the ice. Instead of just thinking, well, wouldn't have all the scientists realized this? The satellites would have caught this. Remember, the people who are steering the world right now are controlling the satellites. So if you got some satellites, you got some pictures, then you put a no-fly zone in this area, and you can control what people see. Here's an interesting creature. It looks like a unicorn. Here are some Indian tents, looks like. We see a lot of trees. I guess some people settling with, yeah. And then here it looks like it's Tar. I have no idea what it says here, but we have a chance. We have a chance to go explore. Instead of just taking the word, taking at face value what people are saying, we can go look at this area. There are many legends about it, that there is water that of eternal life, that there is an opening here that takes you to a place called Hyperborea. How are we going to know if these are just legends? Or maybe this is true? I say we go. Love to all.